How to add domain on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to add a custom domain into your Wix website. It's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you in seconds how to do it. So the first step you need to do is to create an account on Wix.com, or if you have already have it, just log in into your account and then click on create new site. Okay, so the first step is ready. Next thing is going to ask it's going to offer us their AI chat, but we're going to click setup without chat. We don't really need it right now. So here you need to choose a type of website you want to create. For example, today we are creating a website for an event, for a special event that is going to be held somewhere, as an example. So here we can already see our dashboard. So you need to create a name for your website. For example, I'm going to name it just event. So then click continue. It's going to ask what type of event are you hosting, tell us what are you planning, and we will help you set it up. So it's going to be a ticket event or registration only. So I'm going to click on registration only. Not going to sell tickets there. So here you set time and location for the event, so it's a physical location or online event where it's going to take place, like Wix Live video or Zoom or whatever you like, so like Skype, whatever you think of. So a physical location, I'm just going to click continue in order to show you how to create a domain. So we don't really need right now all those things, the seating map, the event schedule. So I just keep this thing. Okay, we are all set. I just click on continue to dashboard and we are ready to create our domain. So the first is going to show you that an example domain. So how to connect a custom domain, you see here it's a two-step of set up your website, and it's going to you're going to see it right here. So right now our domain is shopthreads.biz. So we need to firstly check if it is available. You just need to click on let's go. So right now you can see that shopthreads.biz domain is available, and I think that's all how to connect a custom domain. Right now I'm going to show you when you click on make it yours, it's going to tell you that you need to upgrade your plan if you have an upgrade plan. And right now I'm going, so here it is, upgrade and get shopthreads.biz for free. So you can choose an early plan that includes 1 year free domain voucher. So I'm going to show you what are their upgrade plans. So in fact, there are 4 plans that you can upgrade for. The first one is the Lite, so it gives you a free domain for 1 year. Every plan have a free domain for 1 year. So if you don't want any of the features and you don't want to pay a lot of money, so just pick this one, Lite one. It gets you the basics for 13 euro per month. Next one is the core one, it costs 26 euro per month. Next one is the business one, it's recommended for the shops, for almost every website it is recommended, so it costs euro per month. And the most expensive one is the business elite, it costs 178 euros per month. So guys, I hope this video have helped you. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.